Hi guys, I'll tell you about the injured digital nerve sensory nerves repair or not. Accurate repair, only the God knows about the result. Sometimes painful neuroma. Repair with a vein graft on nerve conduits. Some papers said about that result, but I'm not sure. The second one, inaccurate repair, can be really painful due to neuroma formation. Third one, no repair, no pain, just numbness. But when you wait for a long time, several months or 1 or 2 years, the sensory can be recovered. So I don't worry about that. I will always tell my patient about the result and the after surgery of the fingers. Yes, and so I recommend no repair. If you're not the God, if it is not clear cut, if repair can cause the tension of the nerve, I cannot repair the nerve. Thank you.